go past Pinkay Drive and straight up Prairie Avenue and see what kind of action's going on.
Now we come to Los Angeles Rams news. First being a uniform change. Don't get too excited. They're not changing their jerseys just yet. That's still going to be in a couple of years. But they are going to change their helmets to a blue with white horns, kind of their throwback look. And they're also going to wear white pants with a solid blue or possibly double stripes. They're still kind of voting on that. So we'll have to wait and see where that goes. There's also a Inglewood Stadium webcam. I haven't really checked it out yet, but I'll put a link in my description and you guys can go check that out when you're not watching my videos. Other than that, thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next one.